Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the King's Egg in Anime Vanguards. The King's Egg is a crucial item for evolving your character, Griffith, to a more powerful form. You will discover this special item in your inventory once you have acquired Griffith. It represents a significant step in enhancing your gameplay experience and unlocking new potential for your units, making your team much stronger. To begin, you must first obtain the character Griffith. Head into the story mode, select the first act, and choose the easy difficulty. Once you acquire Griffith, the King's Egg quest will appear, tasking you with sacrificing 200 units. Interestingly, you can even get 2 Griffith units by simply backing out of the game after your initial acquisition, which is a neat trick. With Griffith on your team, you'll notice his special I Sacrifice ability. This is the core mechanic for using the King's Egg. Instead of defeating enemies, you must activate this skill to sacrifice your units or eclipse apostle enemies. Each successful sacrifice contributes to the 200 units needed to fulfill the King's Egg quest, bringing you closer to evolving Griffith. For the most efficient way to complete the King's Egg quest, head into Infinite mode. Place your units in specific spots where enemies will quickly bombard them, allowing you to activate Griffith's sacrifice ability repeatedly. You can continuously sacrifice units without needing to restart the match, making the process much faster. This method helps you quickly reach the 200 sacrifices required for the awakened King's Egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.